Why people start avoiding you after 70 and how to fix it. Before it's too late, senior, the elderly, please leave one subscribe, one comment, and one like for this valuable video of yours. And don't forget to share it across your favorite social media platforms. As we age past 70, many seniors begin to notice a painful shift. Fewer calls, fewer visits, and an increasing sense of being left out. But why does this happen? And more importantly, how can you fix it before it's too late? This video uncovers the real reasons people start to pull away and gives you simple, powerful steps to rebuild meaningful connections. Don't let age define your relationships. Watch until the end and take action today. Number 1. Isolation isn't always intentional. As we get older, it's easy to feel forgotten, but the truth is, most people aren't trying to push you away. Life simply moves fast. Children grow up, careers demand attention, families get busy, and friends may move or pass away. It can feel like everyone is drifting, and you're left watching from the sidelines. But here's the key truth. Isolation isn't always intentional. Sometimes it's just the result of no one taking that first step. Unfortunately, when you stop reaching out, people often assume you prefer to be left alone. They might think they're giving you space or not wanting to bother you. Meanwhile, you may be silently wishing for more connection, more warmth, and more presence from the people you love. That silent gap grows with time, unless you step in and bridge it. So what can you do? Be proactive. Pick up the phone and call a friend. Send a text, even a short one, just to say you're thinking of someone. Invite a neighbor over for coffee. Show up at community events, clubs, or senior meetups. Let people know you're still here, still vibrant, and still interested in life. Staying visible and involved keeps you on people's minds. It shows that you're not just waiting for life to happen, you're actively participating in it. And when people see your effort, they'll respond. Relationships are like gardens. They only bloom when someone tends to them. Start tending again, and you'll be surprised at how many friendships begin to blossom once more. It's not about chasing people. It's about opening the door. And often, that's all it takes to let connection flow back in. Number 2. Negative talk pushes people away. As we grow older, it's natural to face more challenges, aches, pains, health scares, or the loss of friends. Talking about these things can feel necessary, even comforting at times. But here's the hard truth. If every conversation revolves around complaints, pain, or negativity, people may start pulling away, not out of cruelty, but because it's emotionally draining. Many younger people, and even peers, don't know how to respond when the tone is always heavy. They might feel helpless, uncomfortable, or unsure of what to say. Over time, they begin to avoid conversations altogether, not realizing that you simply need someone to talk to. That's why it's so important to balance the hard stuff with lightness, warmth, and positivity. Try this. Instead of starting with a complaint, start with a story. Share something funny you saw, a memory that makes you smile, or even a small win from your day. Let people hear your laughter, your insight, and your wisdom. You've lived a life full of experience. Use that to inspire, not just to inform. Also, be curious. Ask others about their lives. Be the person who listens, encourages, and makes others feel better after spending time with you. That kind of energy is magnetic. It brings people closer, not pushes them away. This doesn't mean you have to fake happiness or ignore your struggles. It just means being mindful of the balance. Let your conversations uplift, not only you, but the people around you. Be the kind of presence people look forward to. When you make others feel good, they'll naturally want to be around you more. Remember, people are drawn to joy, not complaints. So shine your light. You've got plenty of it left to give. Number 3. Technology gap equals connection gap. In today's world, technology is the bridge between people. And if you're not crossing that bridge, you risk being left behind. For many seniors, the digital age can feel overwhelming or even intimidating. But the reality is simple. If you're not online, you're not in the loop. Messages, updates, invites, even family milestones. They all happen on phones and computers now. It's not just about convenience, it's about staying connected. Grandkids are posting photos on social media, friends are sharing news in group chats, and family members are making video calls instead of dropping by. If you're not part of that digital space, people may unintentionally forget to include you. Not out of neglect, but because they assume you're not interested or able to participate. The good news? It's never too late to learn. Take small steps. Learn how to use a smartphone. Ask a grandchild or neighbor to show you how to video call or send a message. Watch a few YouTube tutorials on using apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, or Facebook. Many communities even offer free or low-cost tech classes for seniors. By embracing technology, you're not just learning a new skill, you're reopening the door to connection. You'll be able to see your grandkids' smiles in real time, join family chats, celebrate birthdays virtually, and share moments that matter. Don't let fear or pride keep you stuck. The digital world isn't just for the young. It's for everyone who wants to stay connected, involved, and engaged. Be brave, be curious, and take the first step. Your relationships and your sense of belonging will thank you for it. Number 4, outdated mindsets can create walls. As we age, it's natural to feel that the old ways were better. Life seemed simpler, values were clearer, and people behaved differently. But holding too tightly to the past can unintentionally build walls between you and the people around you, especially the younger generation. When younger people feel judged for how they dress, speak, raise their children, or live their lives, they often shut down. They start to distance themselves, not because they don't care, but because they don't feel accepted or understood. That disconnect can grow quickly if every conversation turns into a lecture, a correction, or a comparison to how things used to be. The truth is, the world is constantly changing, and while not all change is good, resisting it completely can isolate you. Staying open-minded doesn't mean abandoning your values. It means allowing room for others to have theirs. It means being curious instead of critical, asking questions instead of making assumptions, and being willing to see things from a new perspective. Try starting conversations with an open heart. Ask about their experiences, listen without judgment, and share your own stories with warmth and humility. You don't have to agree with everything, but when people feel heard and respected, they naturally want to be around you more. Being flexible in mindset shows emotional intelligence and growth. It signals to others that you're still evolving, still engaged with life, and still eager to connect. That kind of energy is attractive to everyone, regardless of age. Build bridges, not barriers. Your wisdom is valuable, but it becomes even more powerful when paired with understanding and openness. Let your mind stay as young as your heart. Number 5. Neglecting self-care sends the wrong message. As we get older, it can be tempting to slow down and let certain routines slip. Maybe you stop dressing up, skip grooming habits, or put off health checkups. But here's the truth. Neglecting self-care doesn't just affect your health. It affects how people see you. When you stop taking care of yourself, others may assume you've lost interest in life or even given up. That impression can make people uncomfortable or unsure of how to engage with you. They might pull away, not out of judgment, but because your energy no longer feels inviting or present. But self-care isn't about vanity. It's about self-respect and confidence. Dressing well, maintaining good hygiene, and staying physically active are powerful ways of telling the world, I still care. I still matter. And that energy is contagious. You don't need to wear fancy clothes or look like you did at 40. Just take pride in your appearance. Wear clean, well-fitted clothes that make you feel good. Keep your hair trimmed, your posture strong, and your smile ready. A genuine smile and a little effort can completely transform how others perceive and respond to you. And let's not forget the inside. Eat well, stay mentally active, and move your body, even if it's just a daily walk. When you invest in yourself, you show others that you value your life. That makes them value it too. People are drawn to those who radiate life, not those who appear to have let it pass them by. Show the world you're still here, still vibrant, and still worth knowing. Confidence isn't about age, it's about attitude. And when you carry yourself with pride, people can't help but be drawn to your light. Conclusion. Growing older doesn't mean fading into the background. It means shining in new, powerful ways. If people have started pulling away, it's not too late to reconnect. Stay visible, speak with positivity, embrace technology, keep an open mind, and take pride in yourself. These small shifts can reignite your relationships and bring fresh energy into your life. You still have so much to offer: wisdom, warmth, humor, and love. Please leave one subscribe, one comment, and one like for this valuable video of yours, and share it across your favorite social media. Let's grow stronger together.